Hello YouTube, Robert here. We had a 40-mile-per-hour gust of wind this weekend, and I'm going to show you some damage that was done on my property. My elm trees are just having a hell of a time. And yeah. So we got this one that split up really high, and it's resting up on that tree over there. Then we got this big boy right here, split right down here at the root, at the base of the tree, and it's resting just on that tree right there. Cannot believe that tree right there is holding up all that weight. And then we had this guy fall down and is blocking the path over here. So I called my tree guys. They're coming. So oh yeah, got one more over here. This guy split. See the damage it did when it came down to the base of the tree? And it's just resting on that tree. So, fun times. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube. Like if you like, subscribe if you want to. Have a good one.